Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Black Ops 6 stuck on a loading screen. And basically Black Ops 6 is not launching. So first things first, what you're going to do is you make sure you verify the integrity of your game's file. So come here on your Steam library, click there, find your game, for example Black Ops 6, click on properties. And then what you want to do is you want to come here, click on installed files. And then click on this option right here that says verifying integrity of game files. Go ahead and click on this option, and what this will do is it will ensure that the game's files are installed correctly and there's no missing files, there's nothing that is corrupted. After that, go close that. And then what you want to do, guys, is right click on your start and then click on task manager. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to be ending task on all the background processes that we might not be using. For example, right here, come. And for example, if you're not using Discord, click on Discord, click on end task. Anything that is using a lot of your CPU and a lot of your RAM or your memory, you're just going to go ahead and close those. And then what you can also do, guys, is you can go ahead and run Steam as an administrator, right? Right click on Steam. And then what you want to do is run as an administrator while you are trying to play the game. What this will do is it will allocate a lot of resources to Steam. It will prioritize Steam as a task. And as a last resort, what you can do is you can come here, click on search. Okay. And then what you can do is search for run, or you can right click here on your start button, click on run. And then you want to just type this in, okay? sysdm.cpl. Then press OK. And what this will do is it'll open up some settings, and we're going to be tweaking this. We're going to be increasing our virtual RAM. So go to System Properties, click on Advanced. Now right here under Performance, you'll see this virtual memory setting. So come here, click on Settings, click on Advanced. Now here under Virtual Memory, you want to click on Change, and you want to set a virtual memory at least 1.5 times your actual RAM, or at the maximum 3 times your RAM. So currently I've set it at about 8 GBs. So you can set it to anything. For example, if you have a 4 GB RAM PC, set this to about 6 GB, about 6,300 megabytes. Then go ahead and press OK, and then try running your game. You should not face any issues. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Find a Solution, and I'll see you guys in the next one.